Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a Squarespace website not loading issue in 2026. So if your site is stuck, blank, or not opening at all, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes that usually solve it fast. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can prevent your site from loading properly. Next, refresh the page or do a hard reload. Sometimes the site is just stuck due to temporary browser issues. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can conflict with the latest version of your website and stop it from loading correctly. If the problem continues, try opening your site in another browser or device. This helps you figure out if the issue is local or website related. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. These can sometimes block scripts that your Squarespace site needs to load properly. Now check if Squarespace itself is having an outage. If their servers are down, your website won't load no matter what you do. And if nothing works, reach out to Squarespace support. Include screenshots of the error so they can help you troubleshoot faster. And that's it. Most Squarespace loading issues are caused by browser cache, extensions, or temporary server problems, and they're usually easy to fix. Hey everyone, welcome.